Hey ladies, how you doing? So I want to come and talk to you about this lovely hairstyle that I have in. I want to first say thank you to the folks over at Sam's Beauty. They sent me 8 packs of hair. This is the Bobbi Boss New Locs hair. I got the little tags here. I had 4 1B, 3 4s, and 127. I think that's how it went. Yeah. So I had 8 packs altogether, and not for nothing, I have about 7.5 in my hair because I didn't want my hair to look thin. I wanted to look full because when I wear my units, I like my units full. Not too full, but you know, I like it to look, I don't want the wind to blow or something like that and then you can see the parts. I don't like that. Some ladies it looks nice on, some it doesn't. I just did not want to have that particular look wearing this hairstyle. So I'm going to back up a little bit just so you can kind of see. I want to make sure that my front was really, really nice and natural and blended in with my natural hair. I washed my hair. I'm going to get into everything. I washed my hair. I did 4 plaits to let it air dry. So I didn't want to straighten my hair because I watched so many different videos about how ladies install this particular hairstyle. And some ladies blow dry their hair, they braided it individuals. I tried to do the individual lock method in the front and around the perimeter, but I am a corn roller. I can corn roll. Me and box braids, we don't really get along too tough. Now you might say, Kelly, well, box braids, you learn how to box braid first and then you move on to the corn roll. No, that's not how I go. I can corn roll. I can corn roll really, really small and really, really neat. So I pretty much corn rolled my hair halfway. I did 12 cornrows, small cornrows up top, and then in the back I have 6, and then I connected them. Really, really simple, really, really easy. I am mad at myself that I'm just now getting into crochets, and crochets is like a really, really old style. I am mad at myself. This is so convenient. Oh my God. I was going through a phase where I wanted to cut my natural hair, and I was like, you know what, I'm just tired of it. I was going to do an undercut, and I said, you know, I'm going to do a taper cut. I was like, you know what, how about I just put it away? I was tired of the whole wig thing. I was tired of lace fronts. I was tired of closures, and I didn't want to purchase any more hair to just do anything with. I was just tired of it. I want something I can just get up and go. That's pretty much where I am at this point. Now, I'm not gonna say I won't wear a wig again because I know I will. But at this point, I just want something I can just get up and go, just put some makeup on if I wanted to. And that was it. So let's get into what I use to prep my hair. I have everything right here. So I pretty much wash my hair. I didn't bring the shampoo out, but you guys know Aussie Moist. I use the moisturizing one. I use the shampoo, and I use the 3-minute the 3-minute deep conditioner. Love it. Love that stuff. I know some of you ladies don't like to use sulfates in your hair, but I do. I don't have a problem with that. I use it to wash my hair, condition it. Then I went in with the Cream of Nature. I have it upside down because I have a little bit left and I want to use it all. But I can show you. The bottle looks like this. It's detangler. I put it all over my hair, massage it in. And then I went in with the Cream of Nature Twisting Cream. This is what I use to braid my hair down. So I just pretty much massage all the strands and braid my hair down. I use this to keep the moisture in since my hair's in a protective style for a long period of time. My goal is to keep this style in for about 4 weeks. And if I can go a little longer, I will. The oil of my choice. And my daughter bought this because my daughter had got some feed-in braids. And she was like, oh God, they're itching. It was like the next week. They're itching. So she picked up this Talia, I can't pronounce it. Wow. Oh God. However, this is the protective hairstyle. This is the bamboo, biotin, and basil anti-itch serum. It has peppermint, aloe, and shea butter. Really, really like this stuff. Let me see if I can get it in. Looks good. There you go. Really, really like this stuff. It has like a nice feeling, nice cooling sensation. So once I finished braiding my hair, I went through each part and I put this in. I'm going to go buy the bigger bottle just because this is really, really nice. And I'll link all the information down below, all the products that I use. So, you know, if you wanted to see how they look, you know, again, you can do so. And for my edges, guys, I picked the small bottle up because I was a little bit unsure if this is what I wanted to get. You know, I used the green one forever and a day. So when I saw this in the beauty spot, I was like, wait a minute. So behind. So behind. Again, another oldie at this point. This is the Eco Style olive oil, shea butter, and black castor oil, and flaxseed. This stuff, it has a cap, so I really like that. This stuff smells like heaven. It smells like, oh my God. It just smells so good. I can't even explain what it smells like. It's very, very high in perfume. But I love it. I put it on my edges. I don't do all that baby hair jazz. I'm too grown for that. However, I just slick everything back, make it look nice and neat. It's not going to look perfect because I'm natural and these locks. Let's get into the locks now, since we done got into what I use to prep my hair. I only have this amount left. All I have. So this is, I use this little contraption here, this little thing right here. But all I have is this left. These little locks here. So this is about a half a pack, if you will. I didn't put too much of the 27 because, you know, I'm a scaredy cat. I gotta go to work. And I do meet with clients and stuff. So, I like to, you know, kind of tone it down just a teeny bit, but still be Keli. This is the 4. Now, there's mixed opinions about these particular locks. Now, do I like them? Absolutely. Do I recommend them? Absolutely. Do you need to have patience? Absolutely. I couldn't get with the whole individual method with braiding because I couldn't braid my hair for one. And then once I got it in, I couldn't unravel it to get it back on. It was just too much. And it was just too much for me. So I just said, you know what, cornrows we shall do. And I like it. You know, I like how it looks. You really can't see my parting and stuff like that because I did everything really, really close together. And I kind of frizzed out where the loop goes. So I did one of these numbers where I pulled everything apart and I put it back together. So once I make the knot, it was a kind of a frizzy situation up in the top. So once I did the knot and looped everything in, it left everything, you know, kind of like frizzy like that up top. If you get what I'm saying. So it kind of looks like this. I like it. It looks good. I'm looking over here in my viewfinder. But yeah, it looks good. I like it. I could flip it from side to side and you really can't tell. And I like the fact that it's not like, you can see right here, it's not, you can't see much. That's what I like. I hate seeing crochets when you can actually know what's going on. I mean, it's a crochet style, but I like them. Yes, they are a little bit shiny. Yes, but I do know with wear they will definitely get a little dull, and that's been like the story with everybody who has installed these particular locks. They get better with time, and that's what, you know, the whole deal with locks. It's so funny because back in the day I wanted to lock my hair and I was like, no, I can't commit to something like that because I change my hair so much. I go from short, I go to wigs, I haven't done braids in a while, but I've done Havana twists pretty much like when I first started my actual channel, but I haven't done an actual style. This is my first crochet ever. Yeah, ever. I've done Havana. But yeah, I'm in love now. You might see more crochets on this channel because this is so simple and it's 1, 2, 3. Let me know if you are a crochet wearer. Again, I want to thank the folks over at Sam's Beauty. These are amazing. I'm going to leave the links and everything down below. They are cheaper because I've seen these in a beauty supply store. My youngest daughter wears crochets. They are cheaper online than they are in a beauty supply store. So if you want to get your hands on these, you should get them from Sam's Beauty versus going to your beauty supply store because they're cheaper. I mean, $10 cheaper. In my beauty supply store, they were $17.99 for a pack. And if I'm using 7.5 packs, go figure. Some ladies use, what, 2 packs or 3 packs, or maybe 4. But I want a more fuller look because I know once they get old, they're going to look real cute. Oh God, I'm gonna be installing this again. I just want to say I love it. Let me know what you guys think. I did post a picture on my Instagram. I'm probably gonna post more, but let me know what you think, how it looks on me. You know, I like to know what you guys think. I like it. I like it. So I want to say hey to all my new subscribers. Hey to all my loyals. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.